Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to propagate moringa or a malungay in Tagalog. You excited? Let's go. We need a big scissors, garden scissor, and a small pot with soil on it. You can also a big pot if you want, or you can also just use the ground basically. So this is my moringa, malunggay in Tagalog. We Filipinos use the leaves in chicken tinola. Chicken tinola is chicken soup. With me and my wife and my son loves soup during the winter. So this one, we're gonna propagate a moringa. Malunggay, you have to choose a woody branch that is at least 1 centimeter in diameter. In this case, I want to cut up to here in between this node and that node, hoping that it will spurt out some new leaves. I want more leaves. Hopefully I will have more leaves for my chicken tinola soup during the winter. So I'm gonna get my scissors, this big scissor, over here. Here's our cut. So this is the one we cut. I'm gonna remove its leaves, and I'm gonna remove the spider webs. I also love peeling off the cutting that we got, so that it exposes the green part of the moringa. Yeah, I'm just peeling it with my nails. And once we have that, we're ready to stick it out in our pot with soil. Alright, so my pot with some soil in it, like that, and wait 1 to 2 weeks for some progress. This is what we've done, and this is what I've done a week ago. See how it's progressed with some leaves now. Because I'm too excited. Let's see if it started to root. Okay, let me pull it out. Oh, not much root yet, but yeah, looks like starting to root now with that one. Can you see that? Yeah, starting to root a bit, but this is good progress. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about, starting to root. So it has some leaves now, and yeah, we'll place it back there and wait a bit longer. Alright, we'll see how it go in 1 to 2 weeks in this one another week. I would assume we'll have more roots next week. And thanks for watching my video. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.